Good morning, all of you. This is me, Shifa. Today, I'm very excited to have a session on a subject EVS with new topic and with new syllabus, that is healthy and unhealthy food. Today, guys, I'm going to discuss what is healthy food. Healthy foods that keeps our body fit and फाइन, जिसे हम खाने से बहुत हेल्दी फील करते हैं, बहुत अच्छा महसूस करते हैं. And there are no side effects with these healthy foods. And if I am coming to the next part, that is unhealthy food destroy our body. वो हमारे बॉडी को ख़राब करते हैं, हमें बहुत सारे बीमारियों हमें हमारे साथ बहुत सारी बीमारियों को लगाते हैं और फिर हमें उसको लेके डॉक्टर के पास जाना होता है. सो वी हैव टू अवॉइड अनहेल्दी फूड बिकॉज दे आर नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. वो हमारी सेहत के लिए अच्छे नहीं होते हैं. वी शुड प्रिफर ओनली हेल्दी फूड्स. सो गाइज, आई एम गोइंग टू discuss this healthy and unhealthy food through a small and interesting activity with you all. So let's start with an activity. See that I have made two bowls of unhealthy food and healthy foods by using these two cups, and in cups I have put some rice to make this stand. Okay, now I am coming to the first bowl, that is healthy food. I am going to show what all healthy foods I can arrange in my home, and I will let you know what is the benefit of eating these healthy foods. So as you can see, this is masoor dal. Okay, all dals are very helpful to our body, which helps us to grow. This is rice. Rice is having starch, which help us to make which help our body to maintain. This is chapati, जिसको हम रोटी भी बोलते हैं. ये मैंने मसूर दाल ली है, कुक्ड मसूर दाल, राइस, चावल, और दाल और तरीके की भी होती हैं, चना दाल एंड चना दाल, मसूर दाल, अरहर दाल. So all types of dal are very helpful to our body because they maintain our internal structure and they help us to grow our internal structure. Now coming to the fruits which are healthy. Now I am having only 3 fruits through which I can discuss you that these fruits are very helpful. This is orange. Orange consists of citric acid. Lemon also consists of citric acid. They are very helpful to us. This is grapes. All fruits are very helpful to our body. जिस भी फ्रूट्स को हम खाएंगे या जिस भी पल्स को हम खाएंगे, राइस को खाएंगे, चपाती को खाएंगे, वो सारे हेल्पफुल होंगे. नाउ कमिंग टू आवर वेजिटेबल, दिस इज कैप्सिकम, दिस इज कुकुम्बर, दिस इज लेडी फिंगर, this is brinjal, and this is tomato. So all vegetables and all pulses, rice, chapati and all fruits are very healthy because they build our internal structure. They keep our eyesight strong. ग्रीन वेजिटेबल खाने से हमारी आईसाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है, हमें कभी भी स्पेक्स नहीं लगता है और हम बहुत हेल्दी फील करते हैं. और जो ये फ्रूट्स होते हैं, ये दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी हेल्दी एंड वी शुड कंटेन all these diet in our routine. So this part is of healthy food. Now I am coming to the unhealthy foods. I have assembled all these things to explain. That is, children love to eat Maggi, but children जो है वो मैगी खाने के लिए बहुत पसंद करते हैं. but Maggi is very harmful because it is made up of मैदे से बनता है, so it's very harmful. आप once in a week, twice in a week और twice in a week और once in a month आप इसको खा सकते हो, but don't add in your daily routine. This is biscuit. This is also very unhealthy. This is chips. इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी अनहेल्दी बिकॉज ये पैक्ड फॉर्म में होता है. सो इसमें कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें ऐड होती हैं जो इसको फ्रेश रखती हैं. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी हार्मफुल. These are all chocolates. Yummy chocolates. But these chocolates are very harmful because they bring cavity to our teeth. Cavity means इन चॉकलेट्स को खाने के बाद हमारे टीथ में कैविटी आ जाती है, जर्म्स आ जाते हैं विच डिस्ट्रॉय ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ योर टीथ. So children, we should not eat unhealthy food. We should prefer only healthy food. So coming to our last task, coming to our next part, that I'm going to mix all healthy and unhealthy food, and I'm going to saturate only healthy food. Okay children, now I have mixed all healthy and unhealthy food. We will take out only unhealthy food because the quantity of unhealthy food I have kept is very less quantity. So we should take unhealthy food. First of all, we should take this Maggi out, this chocolate out, this one, this chocolate out, this biscuit out, and this chips out. And now all healthy foods came together and all unhealthy foods came together. So children, now you are able to know which fruits, which food, which vegetable are healthy and which are all junk food are unhealthy. That is, they are also known as unhealthy food. Also children loves to eat burger, they loves to eat ice creams, they loves to drink soft drinks, that is Pepsi and all that. They loves to eat ice creams, they love to eat pizza. These are all unhealthy food which destroy our body. So children, it's my request, don't go for unhealthy food, go for healthy food. Now coming to our last task, that is our activity sheet. And in activity sheet, what we have to do, I am going to discuss. To our activity sheet, that is question 1, it is written, cross out the unhealthy food. Unhealthy food, I told, those food which destroy our body, that are unhealthy food, and color healthy food. So all these foods are uncolored. You have to first you have to cross out unhealthy food. This is egg with yolk. So this is healthy food. You have to color this egg. This is watermelon. This is fruit and this is very healthy. So you have to color it. This is almonds, जिसको हम बादाम कहते हैं. You have to color this one. This is toffee. This is unhealthy food. So you have to cross it. This is grapes and it is fruit. So it is healthy. You have to color it. This is tomato. Tomato means tomato. This is also very helpful because I have let you know that all fruits, vegetables, cereals are healthy foods. So you also have to color this one. This is soft drinks. In this it is written Pepsi. So you have to cross it because it is unhealthy food. This is your pizza, favorite pizza. You have to cross this one because it is unhealthy food. This is lemon. You have to color it. This is ice cream, yummy ice cream. You have to cross it because it is not good for health. This is chips. This is also not good for your health. You have to cross out. So what you have to color is, egg is healthy, you have to color this one. Watermelon is healthy, you have to color this one. Almond is healthy, you have to color this one. Tomato is healthy, you have to color this one. Grapes is healthy, you have to color this one. And lemon is healthy, you have to color this one. Rest all